So today I'm going to be talking about going zero waste. Hopefully I'm providing you with all the information to do so, but we'll see. So what does zero waste even mean, might you be thinking? So personally, I think zero waste means kind of not going completely zero waste, just cracking down on your waste as much as you possibly can because it's pretty hard. By doing that, it's going to help the environment and also yourself. So, with this, waste is playing a huge role in our environment. For example, with the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, they have statistics shown in 2013 that Americans on average were producing 4.4 pounds of waste per person each day, which adds up to 254 million tons of trash each year. So last year I had gone zero waste for about 6 months. I mean, probably like 95% zero waste. So I had a good feel of like what to do and how to change your lifestyle. It is kind of hard, but it turned out being really rewarding. Right now I'm kind of not like completely zero waste or 95%, but I definitely focus on not producing a bunch of waste and trying to go the environmental friendly route. So that's kind of what going zero waste has done for me, is just kind of acknowledging what I'm doing. So I'm hoping by sharing with you the reason it can affect our lifestyle by helping the environment, and it can affect you in many different ways that you wouldn't really think of unless you do it or if you research it. So hopefully I can persuade you to become zero waste. Okay. So the problem in our society is we're producing too much waste, obviously, which is affecting our environment and also our wildlife and even us. So according to the GD environmental website, this gave me info on how there is not biodegradable waste in our landfills, which is over time becomes toxic, which make gases that can be toxic to the air, pollute our air, but also how it can go down into our water, our groundwater, and affect our water that we're drinking, or that we're getting to end up drinking. So, as well as where fish live or animals are drinking out of. So, as for wildlife, my researchers at Plymouth University says that there were around 44,000 animals who have become entangled or swallowed debris since the 1960s. So that's the problem in our society, is we're producing too much waste and it's not good for the environment. So I'll be talking to you about the solutions of what we can do as citizens to become more zero waste, so to impact the environment largely. So I have brought some things that I've adapted my lifestyle to become zero waste. Okay? So I have a reusable coffee cup, which I use like almost every day. And then I use this every day. I use a water jug with a reusable straw. And I have these in my car, so like I don't actually get a straw when I go out to drink. I'll just have my own straw. Go out to get some food. So this is where it kind of becomes difficult in your everyday lifestyle, is like if you're going shopping, I have like a bunch of bags I use instead of using plastic bags. Like this one's a really big one. But I've kind of just got them from a bunch of different places. They kind of just show up. Like you can use what you have. So I just have a bunch of bags that I found. Then I have some jars. So like if I don't want to use a bunch of plastics, I can just go. What's kind of annoying about McPherson is they don't have bulk shopping really in like Dillon's or Walmart. So if I were to go bulk shopping for like nuts or anything, they're in Wichita or Hutch. So I have a bunch of jars and another bag for like small nuts or something. So, and then also with that, you can watch what you're spent, like how much you are buying of just unnecessary clothes that you're getting, where you could just go to the thrift shop and buy $5 worth of clothes that'll last you for a few days, you know. So that's the solution. And then, so the benefits are, you don't think about this until you do it, but you are saving a crazy amount of money. Quoted by Kate Hall in a blog post, she says, sometimes zero waste isn't a glamorous life, but you do save a whole lot of money. So you're living a comfortable lifestyle. And then you will be buying locally and helping your local shops around town. And then you'll have the satisfaction of helping the environment. So I've gone through the problem and the solution and the benefits of going zero waste, and I hope that all this, you will all take this into consideration. It's actually kind of fun. So yeah, I'm done.